With RedBeam Check-In Checkout, you can track any circulating inventory items including tools and equipment, file folders such as legal or medical files, rental items and demo gear, or sample items such as laboratory or product samples. Using RedBeam Check-In Checkout will help you to speed up the check-in and checkout process, track by employee, customer, or department, locate items easily, improve accuracy, increase accountability, calculate rental and overdue fees, notify users of items overdue, and track item usage. Barcoding makes tracking circulating inventory faster and more accurate. All RedBeam software packages come with barcode labels that can be printed on your standard laser printer. RedBeam Check-In Checkout software comes in two versions. With the standard edition, you can use a cabled barcode scanner to check items in and out at your PC workstation. With a mobile edition, you can use a mobile barcode scanner to check items in and out wherever they are found. Getting started with RedBeam is easy. Let's take a look at how to get set up with the system. Start by entering the location information for each room where the circulating inventory will be stored. Add the room description and barcode, and assign the location to one of your buildings. The room will then be displayed in the organization tree. You can also set up other data in this section, including employees, item types, departments, and purchasing information including unit of measure, vendor, manufacturer, and model. You can also include statuses and list projects to which the items will be assigned. To set up your items, go to the Item screen and click New. Enter your item ID, description, item type, unit of measure, manufacturer, and model. You can also add an image of the item and up to 5 user-defined fields. Before saving your record, you can enter the serial number and status of the item, as well as purchasing information including vendor, purchase order number, acquisition date, and cost. You can then enter transaction information including transaction and overdue fees, and the period of time the item can be checked out. If your items are not currently barcoded, click the barcode button to print an item label. Now that your data is set up, you can begin processing transactions. To check out items, enter a location, scan or select the person you are checking the item or items out to, and scan or enter the items being checked out. You can verify the status, add notes for each item during checkout, as well as enter a reference number, and assign a project ID for the entire transaction. Click Update to process the transaction and print a receipt. To check items in, enter a location, scan or select the item you are checking back in, and update the status of the item. You can enter any relevant notes at this time. Click Update to process the transaction and print a receipt. If you are using the mobile edition of the software, you can use the mobile scanner to check out, check in, and view a history of transactions. RedBeam Check-In Checkout offers comprehensive and flexible reports. Item data reports show items currently on hand, as well as items that are currently checked out or overdue. You can also run reports on usage or item and rental values. You can filter and group your reports any way you like. Then either print the report or export the data directly into an Excel spreadsheet. Transaction reports show a historical list of all checkout and check-in transactions. RedBeam Check-in Checkout also includes powerful label printing functions. Easily print labels to any laser printer or to any dedicated barcode label printer that uses Windows drivers. Choose to print a single label, print barcodes from master data, or print sequential barcodes. RedBeam Check-in Checkout is a robust system based on a Microsoft SQL database. An MSDE runtime version of SQL is included as part of the package. Other administrative features of the software include networking, data backup, import of data from Microsoft Excel, data purge, caption override, and flexible role-based user security. As you can see, RedBeam Check-in Checkout is intuitive and easy to use. The system is affordable, making it easy to justify your return on investment. And RedBeam's offering is complete. With complimentary software, scanner hardware, and barcode labels, RedBeam has everything you need to start tracking today. RedBeam. Intuitive, affordable, complete.